Let's start here. Let's start with cubes before I go insane. I understand. Trust me, cubes are the quickest thing to leak out your brain. I understand that. So before normally before test, I tell people don't look at any math 10 minutes before test because you'll only psych yourself out. You'll be like, I forgot that, oh shit. You know. But cubes is the one thing that right before test, you should just do a couple of them just to make sure you remember how, because you got to remember where to put things. So for example, if I had x cubed plus 27. Oh, can somebody remember which one it is? The first one? Alright, that's a little better. A little better? Yes? No, it's the other one. Ooh. So is everybody okay with that?
Yeah, that's fine.
I can bring in some candles? No? Alright. Maybe this had a lamp. Holy crap. Alright. Okay, so this is x, x, x. This is 3, 3, 3. And just to remind you, let me put next to this like the associated squares. Squares is so much easier because there's only 2 of everything. So I just cut everything. This is x, x. This is 3, 3. So I put x, the other x, 3, the other 3, minus, plus. All is good. That's easy because there's only 2 to take care of. So of course that's easy. But I really want to show you, do you see the parallels between these two? Now I've got 3 of everything. So if I put 1x here and 1, 3 there, and it's the same sign, then I've got to put the other 2 x's here so they end up with 3 altogether. And I got to put the other 2 3's here so I end up with 3 times 9, 27, 3 3's. That's always plus. The middle sign here is going to be opposite so it can cancel the shit I don't want. And then it's whatever this is times whatever that is. So what everybody had was, at some point you get to this. And I think it's the 1 that's freaking some of us out. 1, how many 1s are here? An infinite number. 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. So let me just say it's 3 of them. So we got M, 1, 1, 1. Little dude, big dude. What goes in the little dude? 1m minus 1, 1. So these go there. Product of these, m times 1 is, that's crazy, and that's going to be plus the opposite sign. This is always plus, and the other 2 1s, 1 times 1 is 1. And then that should look very familiar. Alright, so we'll bring that back in here when we get to that problem. I just wanted to get that done for everybody. Here we go. Let's just knock this one out. So again, there's nothing wrong with just doing that by itself first, and then doing that, and then doing that, and then doing that, and then you put all the answers in the same places. So that's what's called a construction approach. You reconstruct the problem in the form that's easier to work with. It's a little easier for me when I'm doing it in front of everybody just to do it all kind of together. What comes out of these 2?
GCF.
That's good. M squared. Plus. Sorry, I just made fun of him.
GCF.
Good. On the bottom.
M cubed.
Now, if you just put that and stop, I understand what you're thinking, but that's 1 term. There's supposed to be 2 terms. M divided by m is 1, yes. Let me go ahead and make this times and flip these guys, right? Because it's divided by. Out of here, what can you do?
GCF.
Good, 3 comes out. And the same thing happens here, plus 1 at the end. And the top is a classic problem. The thing that people forget, you can do another factor of something is itself in 1. 9 and 1 make 10. Holy shit. So then it's n plus 1. N plus 9. Alright, let me stop there for a second. So again, some of you guys might have slightly different ways to do each of these factorizations. That's beautiful. As long as it's something I consider to be legal. So the only thing I haven't done, so right now if I wanted to, I can kill an n plus 9. What else could I kill? Yeah, one of these m's dies. I like it. And what else have I not factored yet? Of course, the thing we just did. So I get m times 3 times m squared plus n plus 1. That's on the top. This one we just factored, right? This one? We just got the little dude and the big dude. And then this is still here. He's still alive. So what's the last thing that cancels? Yeah, the big dudes. So then I end up with 3m over m minus 1 m plus 1.
Go back up real quick.
Alright, let's leave it there for a second. So a few of you guys got really close.
Yes.
That MQ minus 1 hurt a few of us. I think the 1 threw some of you guys off a little bit, but 1 is any number of 1s you want. 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. I just want 3 of them to make it cubes.
I mean, we're on the right track.
Good. So that's a really good thing to notice. If you didn't get the right answer, what's important right now is were you going the right direction? The day of the test, you better be able to actually get there. But right now, the right direction is a good place to be. Yeah, m minus 1, m plus 1, yeah. Alright. What's up? Not legally. No. No cards on how to factor, so. Alright, let's come back up here. So what do I look at to see what values of x I can't use? The denominator. Oh, let me tell this guy. Come on, dude.